Hi guys, welcome back, and this video is on Sony C400 wireless headset, and it's popularly known as collar earphone or the neck bend headphones. So we're doing a video on unboxing and review of this product. Now this product cost around 3,999. It comes with 1 year warranty from Sony, and if you look at on the Amazon you might get it at the price of around 3480, which is quite expensive, but is it worth the product? Please watch the video till the end and you'll know for sure whether it's worth or not and whether it is the right product for you. So the box comes in a pretty good packing, but once you open the box, the inside of it is pretty simple. It's just a plain cardboard box and you will see the contents of it. And do note that this product is available in 4 different colors. One is black, blue, white and the red ones. Okay, on opening you get a couple of manuals over here. There is a USB cable and there are some earbuds in it according to your size of the ears. There are four to 5 different variants, and there is an instruction manual which shows how you go about the usage of this product. Now coming to the main product, it's wrapped in a simple covering. It's nothing special padding or special box. A small box is there, and the product is right over there. It looks pretty good, stylish. The material body is built very well, and in the operating manual you have the basic quick start guide as well as the warranty cables, how you are supposed to proceed. So this headset comes in basically 2 variants. One is the product name as WIC400BZ, which is without the magnet. Okay, the earphones cannot stick to it, so this one is the without the magnet. The one with the magnet has the model number WIC400/B. Okay, so just don't confuse between the two. One is B and the other is BZ. The one I am reviewing is without the magnet, is the BZ. The plastic and the finish is quite good and looks pretty good, and if you look it on the collar, it's got pretty concealed if you're wearing a shirt and not that for a t-shirt. It looks on a t-shirt, it looks pretty trendy also. The USB cable and the earbuds are also provided with the box, and you can adjust it as per your ear sizes. Now the company claims that the battery life is up to 20 hours, and it is quite true. I've used the product and it's a beautiful battery life, so there is no problem at all. You just need to charge it occasionally. There is the USB cord that they have provided it, just fit into it, and then the other end of the USB needs to be connected to your PC for charging. Okay, note that the battery is of small amperes. Don't connect your regular chargers. It is better and safe. Even they have recommended to connect it to a laptop and then charge. Okay, which I find it a bit of a drawback. Okay, and the connection of this wireless headset is basically 2 types. One is NFC, that is near field communication, and the other one is Bluetooth. The beautiful part about this is that it's got a vibrating neck band, so even if you have a call, the entire band will vibrate and you'll come to know. Now coming to the earphones part of it, you see they are pretty delicate. The earbuds can be changed as per your requirements, and if you see the wire connecting from the neck band, it's quite thin. I personally feel that it's too delicate to handle. If you are a rough user, don't go for this because it's pretty delicate. Although you can adjust the size of it, there's a ball over there. You can just pull it off and change the ball settings so that your wire length can be altered as per your requirements. Another good advantage of this product is that the voice quality of this is super. Unlike the Zap headset which I had compared in one of the old videos, it had got a poor voice quality during calls. This has got an amazing voice quality. Second thing is that the battery life is just amazing and it's too good. And although one biggest drawback of this product is that it's not water resistant, or like even if you have a sweat or water, it can get spoiled. So if you are spending such a lot of money, you need to compare with other products. But is it worth the buy? Definitely it's worth a buy. Thank you for watching RD channel.